So here you've landed on the low back health/pain 2-day workshop. Again, a standalone CPD 2-day workshop. And the first day we're going to be looking at very detailed spine anatomy, understanding the bones, the ligaments, muscles around the spine area, the discs. We talk a little bit about pain science and help you understand if a client's coming to you with an MRI report, what does that mean? How do we help them? And are we going to harm them if we work with them? Sometimes it can be challenging to communicate maybe with some of the clinicians. So again, we talk around that, how we might support with that, how we might make that easier. Within this particular first day, we're also going to look at manual articulations. Now this is fantastic, particularly for those manual therapists, to help improve the movement of the spine where exercise doesn't work. We need to be mindful of our remit, and this is what we're going to make clearer for you, hopefully, during this workshop. Within day 2, we're going to be taking you through all the things relating to insurance, remit, GDPR, government policies, yet all that stuff that's really important to your business. How to create disciplinary teams, red flags, yellow flags, and it's really giving you a better understanding of the clinical aspect of clients with low back pain or problems that we might be concerned about working with, and yet we could potentially help them. So this is a really great 2-day workshop to enhance your understanding of your remit and where you can and maybe can't help.